When I first saw the 71 Cuda, I was just appalled that even attempt a project like that. The car is just wadded up from one end to the next.
It's been over a year since we did the last pull on the Cuda.
The left quarter was pulled, the right quarter was pulled. The roof was pulled out to its original shape and actually looks really good. It just needs a little bit of metal finishing. Left quarter needs to be replaced, right quarter is salvageable. Upper deck filler panel will be saved. The door openings are square and true back to their original size and shape. And the cowl, which had some pretty nasty wrinkles in it, came out remarkably well and need just a little bit of metal finish on them. So we'll be able to save 2/3 of the original unibody on that car. And honestly, that adds to the value of the car.
We're in the process of trying to track down the original pieces and parts missing off the 71 Cuda.
Here's what we know from the fender tag already, okay? We've got the date that it was made, February 24th, 1971 in Hamtramck. Searching out the history of the car is most important for the fact that we can find missing pieces that came off of the car over the years. We have like 6 years missing in there. Those 6 years are the crucial years that I think are gonna show where the motor's at. Oresco bought it out in Springfield with no motor in it and apparently no title. It's fun to be able to go back and look at a car's history and meet the people who have owned it before and hear their stories.
I knew it was something special.
And we come up with some crazy pictures of guys, and we ran into the gentleman who had stored it for over 10 years at his place, which was the father of the young man that wrecked it back on July 5th, 1980. While we were at his house, we happened to come across an original lower course support out of the car. Son of a gun, look at that.
Almost 30 years.
He had also stored the original 410 ring gear out of the Dana and the left rear axle. It was amazing to be able to go back to someplace 30 years later, and it's almost like stepping back in time like it was yesterday, and here's all these pieces and parts. It was really, really cool.
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.